Today I want to show you 3 easy swaps to try in your favorite baked goods to make them a little healthier. Whole wheat flour for white flour. This substitution increases the nutritional benefits in almost any baked good because whole wheat includes the outer shell of the grain to provide extra fiber and nutrients. Substitute half of the white flour to start with, as the texture of the baked goods will change slightly. Next up, unsweetened applesauce for oil or butter. Applesauce moistens while keeping the calories from fat at a minimum. This substitution works well in any sweetbread like banana or zucchini, even boxed mixes. And last, evaporated milk for cream. This switch will drop the fat content while keeping the same consistency of cream. So whether you're making banana bread, a festive cake, or chocolate chip cookies, give one of these swaps a try. Small positive changes will all add up. For these tips and more, head to fairway.com.